MPCC leaders challenge Draft Amendment Act 2025 in Supreme Court, alleging unconstitutionality and anti-secular nature. And security forces step up statewide crackdown on militants, arrests met and arms case recovered amid enhanced patrols. Hello and welcome. You're watching ISCOM News. This is Nancy giving the news in details. The Supreme Court of India today witnessed the filing of a petition by Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee, MPCC Working President Mohammad Fazur Rahman, ex-MLA Wabagai AC and senior Congress leader Mohammad Amin Saha, ex-MLA Ketrigao AC, challenging the controversial Draft Amendment Act 2025. The motion hearing of the case is listed for April 16, 2025. Representing the petitioners, MPCC Legal Department Vice Chairman and Spokesperson Dr. Rabi Khan appeared as a local counsel. Speaking to the media after filing the petitions, Dr. Khan stated that the Draft Amendment Act 2025 is not only anti-secular in nature but also blatantly unconstitutional. It strikes at the very foundation of our pluralistic ethos. We are confident the Supreme Court will uphold the constitutional values and deliver justice. The Draft Amendment Act, passed recently by the BJP-led NDA government in both houses of parliament, has stirred massive protests across the country. Critics alleged that the amendment, which modifies key provisions of the Draft Act 1995, is a targeted attempt to dismantle minority rights and institutions. The case filed by the MPCC leaders is among the first formal legal challenges to reach the apex court from the state, and its outcome is expected to set a precedent for future legal and political discourse on the matter. Security forces have intensified operations in Manipur, conducting extensive search operations and area dominations, exercises across fringe and vulnerable areas of both hills and valley districts. These proactive measures are aimed at maintaining law and order and preventing the activities of insurgent groups in the state. During the course of these operations, security personnel apprehended an active cadre of the proscribed outfits Pripak Pro. The individuals has been identified as Irangbam Robinson Singh, age 25, a resident of Ningthokong Kha Kuno, Ward number 4, under Bisnupur Police Station in Bisnupur District. He was arrested from his residence. Upon his arrest, the security forces recovered several incriminating items from his possessions. This included 196 empty cases of .303 mm ammunition, 82 empty cases of 7.62 mm self-loading rifle SLR ammunition, 55 empty cases of 5.56 mm IND-SAS rounds, and 32 empty cases of 7.62 mm AK series ammunition. Additionally, one mobile phone along with a SIM card was also seized from him. In a separate operations, another active member of Pripak Pro, identified as Saikom Sandeep Singha, age 32, hailing from Saikom Lekai, Sonai Bazar in Kasar districts of Assam, was arrested. The arrest was made from Vidyanagar area under the jurisdiction of Jiribam police stations in Jiribam district. The Manipur police have confirmed that stringent security measures are being enforced at all vulnerable locations to prevent any untoward incidents. Security convoys are being deployed along sensitive stretches of highways to ensure the smooth and safe movement of the vehicles transporting essential commodities. According to police, a total of 297 vehicles carrying essential items were successfully moved along National Highway 2, while another 209 vehicles were facilitated along National Highway 37. To bolster security and surveillance, a total of 110 nakas and checkpoints have been set up across various districts, covering both hill and valley areas. Preparations are in full swing in connections with observations of Khongjom Day. The district administration Taubal today organized social service camp at Khongjom War Memorial Complex. Deputy Commissioner Taubal A. Subhas Singh led the officials and staffs at the social service camp. Speaking to the media, the Deputy Commissioner stated that the social service was organized under the initiative of district administration to keep the historical site of Khongjom War Memorial neat and clean for the upcoming state-level Khongjom Day observations, which is going to be held on 23rd April. During the camp, beautifications of railing, grass cutting, trimming of bushes, cleaning water bodies, among others, were done by the participants to facelift the memorial complex for the visitor. SP Taubal, Sivanand Survey, along with district police personnel, also took part in the social service camp. Staffs of various departments, including STO Lilong, Taubal, municipal councils, DRDA, DFO, water resources, minor irrigations, PHED, fire service, among others, participated in the social service camp. In a plea address to the Governor of Manipur, A.K. Bhala, the office bearers representing 5 local clubs and Maira Paibis in the top Dusara area have requested immediate interventions in a toll road development project crucial for their community. The project, funded by the Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank under the Manipur Urban Road Drainage and Assets Management Improvement Project, aims to enhance urban infrastructure in Imphal and surrounding regions. Expressing deep concern over the abrupt halting of the project, the community leaders highlighted its significance as the sole access route to the Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya in Yaralpat, a school established under the flagship scheme of the Prime Minister for quality education. They emphasized that the road's deteriorating conditions due to cessation of work has led to frequent accidents, vehicular damage, dust pollution, and severe inconvenience to school children and daily commuters alike. The community leaders pointed out that the delay, reportedly caused by personal interventions from local politicians, does not align with public interest and undermines the collaborative efforts between the Government of India and international development partners like AIIB. They urged the governor to instruct the district administration and local police to prevent any unlawful obstructions and ensure the immediate resumptions of work. Furthermore, they requested expedited completions of the project before the onset of the rainy season to mitigate further inconvenience and economic impact on the local populations. A high-level orientations and review meeting focusing on 2 major tribal welfare schemes, Dharti Aba Janyatia Gram Utkrasht Abhiyan, DAJGUA and PMJAN, was convened today under the chairmanship of T. Romond Paite, Joint Secretary of the Ministry of Tribal Affairs. The hybrid format meeting, conducted both physically and virtually, took place at the conference hall of the Deputy Commissioner, Churachandpur. It brought together administrative secretaries, district magistrates from across the state, and directors of line departments. The meetings began with a joint secretary taking a first-hand appraisal of the need for proper orientations on DAJGUA's guidelines to enhance the welfare of tribal people. He reviewed various aspects of the scheme and discussed modalities for its successful executions to achieve targeted outcomes. Prime Minister Narendra Modi alleged that the 2013 amendments to the WAFT law by the Congress government had ultimately benefited a select few in the land mafia rather than serving the welfare of the Muslim community. Speaking at a public event in Hisar, Haryana, he claimed that vast tracts of WAFT owned land across the country could have been used to uplift the poor, women and children, but were instead misused due to Congress appeasement politics. Modi, after laying the foundation stone for a new terminal building at Maharaja Aggrasant Airport and flagging off a commercial flight to Ayodhya, accused the Congress of merely pleasing a handful of fundamentalists in the Muslim community. He further said that if the party truly sympathized with Muslims, it should appoint a Muslim as its chief and give 50% of its elections ticket to members of the community. According to Modi, the Congress never had any real intentions of working for the welfare of Muslims or any other community. Now the headlines once again. MPCC leaders challenged WAFT Amendment Act 2025 in Supreme Court, alleging unconstitutionality and anti-secular nature. And security forces stepped up statewide crackdowns on militants, arrests made and arms case recovered amid enhanced. Now that's all in this bulletin. Keep watching ISCOM English News.